Right, that's some more done. So when I've pulled all the weeds out of here, I'm going to dig it back over again and get rid of all the little ones. It is nearly done. A few more bits there. You can tell there's little bits everywhere else that need dug over. And there's a pile there and a pile there. Chickens are doing fine. They're starting to lay the eggs again. So looking forward to that. So we shall get on. Let's go. Right, up to this bit. I'm going to get rid of one of the courgettes on here. This one. There we go. Right on the flat in there. There you go. Look at the size of that. Woo! That's huge. Still got another one growing, so we'll let that grow. We'll take that to his dad because his dad might want to try it. There you go, Richie.
And it is huge, you know. Bloody hell, it's like a blinking baseball bat. Didn't have it to grow that big, eh?
No, did I? Ooh. See how the grapes are going. Still green. Ooh. Oh, look, there's some up there going blue. There's a few. Oh, look. There's a little baby bird. What are you doing up there? Come on.
Is it alive?
Yeah, it's just playing on the... Careful.
Let him stay. More than welcome to stay in our yard.
I know, but I don't want him banging into things. He's banging into windows and that. Trying to get out. There it is. It's gone. Bye. Yeah, he got out. Good little birdie. Yeah, some of the grapes are starting to half turn blue, purple. That's good. They're starting to ripe. Good. What we got here? All sorts growing in here. Oh, tomatoes are going on fine. They were green the other day. So they're getting up canny. In fact, I'm going to put these ones up the top here. And then water them. There we go. Oh, no. Look at that cobweb up there. Ugh. Now, a cobweb that size has got to be huge spiders, so I'm getting out.
Now, I'm going to say that is one big spider there.
So today, we've got the courgette out. Watering the flowers, they're starting to grow. That one's went dead, I think. I don't know. And that one needs more water. Come around this end.
I'm not being lazy, by the way.
No, he's had an operation, so it's up to me until he can get back on his feet. I've done all that weeding. All that was done last week. I've just done that little bit there, and right at the top. The next part is to start digging all down here. Dig that bed up, get rid of all the weeds, and then tackle the back, which I need the strimmer for that because it's a nightmare. But we're getting there, as always. Canny little day today. Right, I'm going to go and get the chickens water, and then I'm done for today. Have a great week, guys. Wish you are all going to have one. There we go. Bye.